We say good morning to all the listeners out in the Western Division.
Alright.
Yeah.
From Tavua, Potokola, Raki,
Right.
all the villages around the Raki area.
Alright.
And staff in Fijiwata, Mayangara.
Dono binaka.
Di Matavinaka,
Right.
di Tabale o Tupen.
Iyo, o ratu o rau vera ia salambungi.
Iyo.
Binaka.
Andro binaka.
Liu di Mbobuliku.
Esa.
The one who always smell the skirt.
Iya.
Siapa sih kemana sa suara na matago. Bao toka nanti.
Ni andro binaka, ni andra.
Okay, singa toka. Lolo Pan Station. Ni andra ni Matavinaka.
Well, good morning to all the drivers joining out there. Thank you very much for the well success.
Alright.
Please maintain discipline all the time.
Okay.
Never hurry up.
Right.
Because sometimes you're gonna face difficulties.
Don't rush.
With where you wanna go
Right.
this morning. To Ratu Eroni Lewa Kavika,
Right,
Epenes Mbulvinaka,
Yeah.
and the family from New Zealand.
Right.
Also to Mekoki,
Mbulvinaka.
Nimo Mosalu,
Yeah.
and the gang from Naongo joining this morning.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They're doing the farming here for the Angona
Okay.
this morning.
Warna.
Tabiraki squad,
Yeah.
about the Bamita replacement in Guerra and Wangabuga Melambasa.
Right.
Matani Kuaya Kabi me Botai Taltunga Drago,
Yeah.
Oleti, Ombuli, Osei, Obroteke, Firoskar, and Reva, not forgetting Boss Meki
Right.
this morning.
To all the drivers out there tuning in this morning, Yandra Bulbulaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Viki Mani Lubiti, Marvia Burburra.
Dono binaka.
Kita viki tabaki chumi kimuni, kita wambot ni buka kimuni.
Iyo.
Ni baka sama chikumai bale.
Gori.
Baka sama le chumi bichi dan raki mamarau.
Iyo.
Pamata ka kunyo baka sama tabu kale ya.
Right.
Kami bichi or kati gore matamu na muda kadaka.
Dina.
Omaro ya no bukun mbula.
Bulan raba.
And bukun ni kiara botor de tekan mbula. Ono ya na buni tabi satu mengarabi.
Right.
Kimuni ngol tu kata kata na nek kera matakango.
Why you yawning?
Sometime yawning because of we are looking forward for the weekend.
Okay.
A weekend is being part of our life. If we are walking towards the weekend will walk towards you.
Iyo.
So
Did you bring Ningona?
last night is a very tough night for me because
Yeah.
it's very surprised when you see some people coming. We go to one place.
Okay.
You go there, they love you. They're doing the sebu.
Okay.
So they are preparing you with a bowl of angona. So this morning,
Right.
tough morning, tough.
Why is it tough? You the tough man.
He's not a tough man. Nobody is tough through Angona.
Oh.
Angona is a very tough man.
Yeah.
He grown years of years inside the soil.
Yeah.
So the different situation, the process of making him to be dry,
Yeah.
it's very tough. You stuck.
I saw one video on Facebook when someone in Wailoku, he just took the angona
Iyo.
and eat the kosa
Go.
and drink the water from the tap.
Wai binaka, rawa.
Yeah.
Siya katalawa ta.
Eyo.
Eh? Siya katalawa ta, siya katalito yung karabi ko, mintan bitsi ko.
Kaya batangango.
Yeah.
Ngunoi.
Wana na buya.
Ako
No
sana.
munruka ya?
Ha?
No munruka.
Siya nga naman ruko kuno tungo nengon.
Saya nggak bertanya kenan tahu.
Sama
Boleh minat
cemo.
boleh minat from Sweet Jamaica benapa na tajim or Rosie Bianca
Iyo.
or Baby D.
Right.
Patalay kira be Baby Bianca to sama boleh mai.
Iyo.
And not forgetting from War in Lambasa.
Yeah, yes.
Lawa and
Yeah.
Tukana.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Someone tuning in from India. I'm from India.
Oh.
Chennai.
Iyo.
Debojit Gojoy Babu. Hey, bulu binaka.
Yes, this is Fiji.
Iya.
From the South Pacific.
Right.
We say good morning to all the friends in the
Iyo.
continent of India. Continent level ya.
Alright.
Lu baby telangaw di sabot cuma in Central Africa.
Iyo.
Ni andra ni mata binaka. Di ba si?
Iyo.
What's the last time you slept inside the mosquito coil?
Ah?
The what?
Mosquito coil mengesa. Merong adololo bulan temona.
Mosquito.
Silingaw ni kamote kilo mentunam.
Iya.
When I was in the hostel
Oi.
from Ratuluke.
From then on until now, no mosquito net.
No, only mosquito coil around you.
Yes, I was there.
Ayo sana. Aku tahu saya mau curi mosquito net deu.
Ah?
Mau curi mosquito net.
Boy, sa rebok sa ngagur.
Saya oke.
Iya.
Oi ku saseng.
Saya nga medam meu satu na kubina mo sa kay.
Iko mo dema Italia.
Demesi,
Iya.
please tell us what's the reason you sleep in the mosquito net before?
Because in the hostel, we stay in the hostel. They provided the mosquito net.
Yeah.
The
So
school provide?
the school provide.
Oi, okay.
That's Ratuluke. The
yeah.
Wainunu, they love their people.
Iya, that's all.
Yeah.
Right.
From there, we sleep in the mosquito net.
All right.
It's very helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, ako na muna ko sa may tatakina.
Esenidata.
Yeah.
Because when we
Pick up
coming,
space or what?
Yeah.
pick up space, eh? That's true.
Yeah, okay.
Pick up space. When you sleep without the mosquito net,
Yeah.
it's very good.
Yeah.
Because now,
Plenty space.
plenty space.
Yeah.
Because we have the children, eh? We
Yeah.
sleep together.
Okay, alright.
So they moving around from one place to another.
Yeah.
Sabi ko tayo sa ngaya.
Yeah.
Okay, nano mo mosquito net ko nakada ba? Just one string.
One string ko ratar si
Yeah.
one string may tumbog ko na itamba.
O cuando Karauni.
There's one
Yeah.
with one string with a
Yeah,
second
second
one.
one.
Yeah.
Which one do you mean?
So
The fourth one.
Four-legged
Para
one.
bana.
Oi.
The fokona. The tengla.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Tataro ko.
Come.
If you ever
Yeah.
find a mosquito inside a mosquito net.
Right.
Natabi ko na kawan mosquito.
Together with the mosquito on the hand.
Okay.
Tak.
Mosquito na mosquito net.
Mosquito and the mosquito net.
Saan dyan na?
Right.
Blanket.
Bondo tala sa bondo tala mo naman do duro naman ito nam.
Eh.
Iyo, ko naman mo nilipo nga. Eh, mula minakat to the student from Nandorumay Sunday School, Nabesi number 2.
Right.
Today field trip around Vitilevu.
Yeah.
Yesterday Nandi International Airport in
Ito na,
Kimamile
ito na.
Picnic Loloma Beach.
Dumbula.
Today,
Be careful, be careful.
Yeah, today they going to the Loloma homes in Sambeto.
Okay.
Christmas carols.
Right.
Otia besok sa Lomani homes Maimba.
Right.
Sangay mulis mo na Kings Road na field trip.
Saan dyan
Or
na?
to na gang may Nandorumay
All the
Sunday
best,
School.
all the best. Enjoy.
Nabesi
Okay.
number 2.
Do talaga, what's the difference? Mamadal
Okay.
Yeah.
Nano mo kamadala and ako pa lang show. The difference between your heart and your soul.
The heart
Say
is
nano mo mind,
Yeah.
but nano mo
Hat.
nano mo soul. Yeah.
mind is up on top.
Where?
Right.
The soul, the heart is within you, in the middle of you.
Okay.
Okay.
So close to the engine room of your body.
Yeah.
So the mind where the thing process from.
The
The heart
Engine.
The heart is where the feeling is.
Okay.
So whatever comes in your eyes
Yeah.
goes to the mind.
Hat. Oi.
From the mind,
Yeah.
it decorates the feelings of the heart, whether it's postpone,
Yeah. Huh? Iya kan?
postpone.
Nangkito mo na stadium ba?
Kung nadanya ko ano siguro mo ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the heart,
Yeah.
where the feeling come from.
Yeah.
When you think of something,
Right.
unlawfulness.
Right.
So the heart within you can evaporate in your mouth. Maka mo tuturmay na wani matamu.
Okay, sir. Okay. Rodin do na ngauna,
Yeah.
Robi Valorungo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Sometimes
Yeah.
they are very angry with each other
Why?
Right.
because the eyes
Yeah.
is the one to blame.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Oy.
You are looking at something that you're not supposed to see.
No, because the eyes.
Yeah.
The first step is the eyes. The eyes.
Yeah.
When you see something,
Yeah.
if you close your eyes,
Yeah.
these two does not work.
Aye. What about if you sleep?
Yeah.
It does not work.
Iyo, di may basa maturimbong. Nisama di.
No. Dreaming. How about in your dream?
Yeah. Okay. Reda. Okay. Kembali do bibala.
Iyo.
Kembali na the first thing is to control what you see.
Control what you see.
Yeah.
If you see what you control,
Yeah.
control what you see. Yeah. If you think the powder during grog session
Yeah.
is main
Main culprit.
main culprit in your life.
Yeah. Don't see.
Don't see.
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. And memorable of understanding.
Which one of those two make decision?
Yeah.
The decision comes from the mind.
Yeah.
When the mind does not work, makangatukuno William be India na be Tinay Bianca.
Yeah.
She was posted on the Facebook and she posted her picture and the caption was like this.
Yeah.
Something beautiful.
Yeah.
And Bilabe, the one who ran away from the school compound in Bethlehem,
Yeah.
So better lang basa.
Yeah.
So he comment na William.
Iya.
Beauty is worthless
Yeah.
when the brain is empty. Ngay kailangan yo tablentong ko bibuli ko so.
Iya.
Ngay comment no kay Ran inta na kay mbito to tangan ito ya odi. Mbito bang ko something beauty inta na kay asin berto
Kaya
no.
tulo ka beauty.
Beauty is worthless when the brain is empty.
Sarang ako ya.
Binabala utama ya borosa binabala utama may roko bila melalalu tu. Tarya era matakan tayo. Binabala usir bites. Quality product from Punjas Biscuit.
If your brain is empty,
Empty.
beauty is worthless.
Beauty is worthless.
Binabalik sarang ako putin doon na sampu
Tina todo ko.
Kitong busar nga ya.
Kitong busar ka.
Kitong busar nga
Iya,
ya.
siya kanito nakaya nga siya nakaya naririnig.
Paling na iray-ray.
Iya.
Tiba ka lalo tu.
Lalu tu nga. Iya.
Weh.
Iya, di na sana.
Iya.
Kaya man ni Riri Sartu nakabata ba?
Iya.
Lalo tu mga bobo kaya siya kanito bali-bali ng buro.
Iya, hindi na. Sa kaya weekend namin dapat tawa na pagpinakan na noon nagkabok.
Right.
Iya, di na. So tu ko na follow your heart eh.
Iya.
Akit lang may na may lama. So ngayon to pa no dapat kasama pataki naka enta bina kachu. Akhirnya minta nakangro mo nanraking go.
Iya.
So nakay ko na rayta na revina tumbeka.
Iya.
Kaya kudo judge staka na book by its cover.
Maka nga tu ko kaya. No sa are chikin to na powda.
Iya.
Mongkaro na nakasar na kay waksam.
Kaya nga tuko na doon na atap kanto vital no to.
Iya.
Doon na
Ito.
to yan ra na kami NC apatiko
Amo
bela.
na ko kunyang ko na.
Tawa na daba.
Yung muna ko nambang ya, baka ulega chulo matabi ko. Ulega chulo gabo. Kuno na sa lalo chulo gabo.
Dan ra.
Nano mo beauty to gori na kamo ni reto gori. Is worthless.
Lalandin.
Eh baru mo ko ale mo na bi mo enta nang ole kina.
Right.
Namaro chulo di tiko
Tira
sa
sara.
kan mo taxi.
Iya.
Reda ke ba chulo mo bag, so mo bata kaya.
Right.
Na buti muri.
Check taka.
Na check tak tale.
Iya.
Nang bao si
Right.
tale mo ni ko yaki.
Dor mo na ka.
Second.
Naka ko ni ba mo si tunelon.
Right.
In the so ni maraw.
Iyo.
May musto be ko ni ali tunong talibon siya nanu mungula tama kanong talibon.
Dor mo na ka.
Kalau mo ni taxi.
Like hat seta kan nontalay ben matani kuwa.
Dokur mundu.